Percentage increase and decrease. To increase an amount by a given percentage, multiply the sum of 100% and the given percentage. For example, to increase by 30%, you've got to have the 100% that you started with plus another 30%, which is 130%. And to turn that into a decimal, it's 1.3. So it's one whole plus 0.3 of one more. To decrease an amount by a given percentage, multiply by 100 minus the given percentage. So if we want to have a 25% decrease or discount, we'll take 25% off the 100%, gives us 75%, or as a decimal, 0.75. To find the percentage change, or the absolute percentage difference, fancy pants, use percentage change. So that's the change over the original amount times 100%. I'll show you. Percentage error is calculated in the same way. So the percentage error is the difference between differences subtract between the measured value and the theoretical value. That is divided by the theoretical value. So we're looking at the difference between these two over the theoretical value. So let's put this into practice. So we have an increase, $70. We're going to increase $70 by 15%. So 100% plus 15% means, actually we're going to multiply that by 115%. And if we were to turn that into a decimal, that's 1.15. So in real life, we're going to multiply 70 times 1.15, and that is going to give us 80.5, which is in dollars, $80.50. If we were to decrease $5.24 by 40%, so what we're going to do is work out, we had 100%, we're going to take away 40%, sloppy, and that's 60%, or as a decimal 0.6, which is now useful. So we're going to take $5.20 times 0.6, and that's going to give us, we'll put the dollars back in just to save time, 3.12. So if we decreased $5.20 by 40%, we would get $3.12. Now, we're going to find the percentage change. The price of a mobile phone increased from $250 to $280. So what is the percentage change? So the difference, and you can work, I'm not going to work it out for you, the difference between, if we were to subtract the larger one, the smaller one from the larger one, the difference is $30. Okay, so we're going to try and figure out what the percentage, in this case it's going to be an increase, isn't it? $30 more. So we started with $250, and so let's go back and look up here. Percentage change is the change over the original. So we've got $30, that's the change, that's the difference, over the original, which is 250 smackaroos. And of course, how do we make that into a percentage? Times 100. With a lot of canceling, we're going to get 12. And it's going to turn out that 12% is our percentage increase. Now, if we want to decrease, okay, so we've got a population that decreases from this amount to that amount. Find the percentage decrease. So the difference, again, between these two numbers, 3,220 minus 2,985 is, my calculator tells me, 235. So we want to find the percentage decrease, which is 235 over the original amount, which was 3220. And how do I make this a percentage? Times 100%, which is 100 over 1. So do all the maths, do all the canceling, and I promise you, you will end up with 7.3%. Okay, after the rain, the volume of water in a tank increased. So we're increasing by 24% to this amount. How much water was in the tank before it rained? Round to the nearest liter. Okay, so what are we going to do? So what we've got is, we had 100%, and that is added another 24%. So we're looking at now, this very moment, we have 124%, or in decimal purposes, we have 1.24. So what we're going to do is take the original volume, and we're going to multiply that by 1.24. That's what we want. But we know, we don't know what the original volume is, but we know that it's going to end up being 2,200 liters. So therefore, if we want to take that original volume and keep it by itself, algebraically, we're going to divide by that other number, 1.24. Divide both sides by 1.24. That's a divide sign there. That's going to leave us with the orig-vol. And if we do that work, the orig-vol on our calculators is 1774 liters. All right, hopefully that helps. And now you've got some work to do.